So we've been asked to find the end behavior. Recall that end behavior was when x approaches infinity and negative infinity. So I'll start with infinity. I'm just using 1,000 instead of infinity. And you can see that the 4 and the 2 make no difference. We're really looking at just -1. So as we go to the right, this is approaching a horizontal asymptote of 1. Now we also need to look at when we approach negative infinity, or -1,000. And so the -1,000 turns this second fraction into the denominator, making it tiny. Both of those are going to 0, so I'm really looking at 4/2, which is 2. So as x approaches negative infinity, I have a horizontal asymptote at 2. So the behavior is looking something like this. There's a couple other things we can do. We can look for the y-intercept. That's when x equals 0. So I've got 4 minus 2 to the 0 over 2 plus 2 to the 0. Well, that's really 3 on top and 3 on the bottom, not 4. Because anything to the 0 is 1. So that means I have a y-intercept right here at 1. And then it's possible that I could come up with the 0. Is there anything that makes the numerator 0? 4 minus 2 to the x equals 0, because 0 divided by any number is 0. So I look at this, and it's sure enough, 2 raised to the 2 power is 4, or 4 minus 4 equals 0. So I must have a 0 here at 4. And so now I can see that the graph must look something like this, with a horizontal asymptote at y equals 2, and another one at y equals -1. And it turns out that's exactly what this thing looks like. All that with a little calculus.